In this video, we're going to ensure that we have a tagged PDF. This is in correlation to my WCAG and Section 508 checklist for PDF. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and let's jump right in. To ensure that your document is tagged, the first thing we could do is select the menu button and then select Document Properties. And then at the very bottom of the Description tab, we have the option called Tagged PDF Set to Yes. This is an important first step, and what I would do next is actually go check the Tags panel specifically, and we can do that by opening up the Tags panel and just doing a quick review that there are in fact tags in this document. Now, if there were not, it would say no tags available. If you want the full checklist for how to make your PDFs accessible to WCAG and Section 508 standards, check out the link in the description of this video. And if you want to join the Accessibility Guys exclusive community with multiple self-paced courses and direct support by yours truly, there's a link in the description for that too. And as always, I could be your champion for inclusion. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.